The most common product failure in this day and age would be drugs, various prescription drugs that are prescribed for an individual that don't work the way they're prescribed to work, or they cause other damage. There are many, many of them, far too many to mention, but some of these drugs have very, very bad side effects. And some people are affected by those things, and a lot of times there's inadequate warning of these side effects for people. Sometimes they've been recalled by the FDA. All of those things are factors. And if you get a drug that causes some type of injury, a lot of times as a patient you might not even know what caused your injury until you see some lawyer's drug commercial on television or something like that. That's one product failure. There are many others. Product failures in vehicles, such as in a rollover accident. It could be a one-car accident. It could be an accident that actually you're at fault for. The fault in the accident is not the issue. The issue is the defective product. Perhaps the roof panels, the window pillar panels on your car collapse and cause a collapsing injury in a rollover accident. That could be a product failure. Perhaps you have a front-end collision. Your airbags do not deploy like they're designed to do. That's a potential product injury. Perhaps you have a serious accident where you have a rollover or an off-the-road type of event, and your seatbelt malfunctions and you're thrown out of the vehicle, ejected from the vehicle, lawyers would call it, and it causes you a really horrible injury. These things happen all the time, and they're defective products that we would like to look at as attorneys. Another issue of defective products are food, perhaps served in restaurants or purchased from stores or whatever, that might be contaminated or have bacteria that cause serious injuries, illness, and so forth. All those are factors with products that can be defective and can cause injury. Those are things that you need to talk to an attorney about, because he's going to have to do an investigation, hire experts, things like that, especially on the drug case. Very, very important. And don't forget, there are time limits on all these cases, statutes of limitations that bar your recovery. So time is really important. You need to move and contact an attorney about these things.